Defeat for India would mean their hopes of reaching the World Test Championship final is out of their hands. The fighter series is leveled at 1-1. And for more, we have Narayan Singh joining us over there. Well, Narayan, with the five-match series finally poised at 1-1 now, how exciting will be the next match, and how important is it for India after losing the last pink ball match?
Definitely, it's going to be a very important match for India for different reasons. First, already the series is 1-1, and after India won the first Test match at the Perth, they lost the second one at the Adelaide. That was a pink ball test, and we know that the combination of the pink ball and the Australian condition is always a difficult situation for any visiting team, and exactly that happened at the Adelaide. But also in the context of the World Test Championship final, to to book a spot there. It will be an important match for India, but they need to reassemble themselves after the debacle in the previous Test match at the Adelaide. But we know that the kind of Indian batting lineup is that they can do and they can bounce back here. But the form of the Rohit Sharma will be the main concern for the Indian team, and his position, especially whether he will open and will play or play at the number six, that will be a topic of discussion. And also the Ashwin, his performance in the Adelaide Test was satisfactory, but India may also reintroduce the way Washington Sundar did a fantastic job last time when India visited in Australia, and this or at this pitch only at the Gabba, he plays an important role in the India's win. And talking about Rishabh Pant, and last time around in 2021 when India won at this ground, he played a fantastic knock of 88 runs in the fourth inning, and that will be also an inspiring thing. And Rishabh Pant will take inspiration from that innings also. So we are hoping that India has all the potential and all the talent to play and just to bounce back in this match at the Gabba.
All right, Naran. Also, let's understand a GABA pitch more with your help, as it is known for its pace and bounce and is expected to offer an exciting contest. Like Australia's Josh Hazelwood was also cleared of injury today, and this is one big change for Australia. What can we say about the Australian squad as well?
We know that the Gabba is a pitch is a fortress for the Australian team. They remain unbeaten for 33 years at this Gabba pitch, and in 2021, India broke that winning streak when they defeated Australia at this venue, and that win was India's sole win at the Gabba. So we are hoping that they will replicate the performance they did in the 2021. And also, we know that Gabba is a spicy pitch. It is known for its bounce and juicy pitches. So it will bounce, and the pace and the swing will be an offer, and it depends on how the Indian batsmen tackle that thing. And definitely, I think after the pink ball test, they must have taken the lesson from that. We all know that batting with against the pink ball is always a difficult, but here the situation will improve for the Indian batsmen, and the way they did in the last match, definitely they will not repeat that thing, and will definitely just give a reply to the Australian bowlers here.
All right. Thank you so much, Narayan, for the details. And moving on, India's Grandmaster D. Gukesh has scripted history by becoming the youngest ever chess champion. Gukesh defeated Inglaterra of China in the decisive game 14 of the World Chess Championship in Singapore to clinch the title. With the game heading towards another draw, defending champions Ding made a blunder to hand the Indian Grandmaster victory. 18-year-old Gukesh has become the youngest world champion, beating the record previously held by Gary Kasparov. He's also the second world champion from India after Vishwanathan Anand, who won the title 4 times. And India's D. Gukesh etched his names in annals of chess history when he became the youngest champion. The 18th world champion at the age of 18 is 4 years younger than Gary Kasparov, who had set the record in 1985. The Indian Grandmaster had qualified for the championship after winning the candidates tournament earlier this year. The historic triumph marks Gukesh's outstanding journey. He outperformed Vishwanathan Anand as the top ranked Indian chess player and clinched India's maiden chess Olympiad gold in 2023. He's the second